Hello, my name is Mayim Bialik. I'm coming to you from the set of The Big Bang Theory to talk about my involvement with NAAMAT USA. NAAMAT is celebrating 90 years as one of the largest women's organizations, united to enhance the quality of life for women and children throughout Israel. With former pioneer women leaders such as Golda Meir, NAAMAT is made up of 350,000 members worldwide, advocating for the advancement of women's status and providing vital social services. Through its 233 daycare centers, NAAMAT provides affordable daycare to nearly 18,000 preschoolers. NAAMAT's 20 high schools and 23 multi-purpose centers provide an empowering environment for at-risk youth. Last year alone, NAAMAT provided 184 scholarships for women seeking college and higher education degrees. NAAMAT stands out as a leading advocate for women and the most important provider for core social services, legal counseling, childcare, health, education, and much more.
With membership in 10 countries, NAAMAT has become an important worldwide movement whose goal is to improve the lives of women, children, and families in Israel by providing essential social services and education. Historically, however, there have been many obstacles to overcome.
It's a game, it's a game.
From a world in chaos, the modern state of Israel emerged. For Jews all over the world, Israel became home, and the women of NAAMAT helped give them a future.
Before it was fashionable for ladies to be in positions of importance and responsibility, there was a woman who just went out and did her thing. And by doing it, she ended up being one of the most admired, respected, and beloved women of this century, the former Prime Minister of the State of Israel, Golda Meir.
In 1925, decades before the State of Israel was established, pioneer women, with the help of Golda Meir, formed our organization in the United States. Thousands of women became members, and the sisterhood between NAAMAT Israel and NAAMAT USA began to flourish.
For your celebration of 19 years for NAAMAT, I want to say thank you very much. Toda rabba.
We have developed an infrastructure of social services that covers the map in Israel. With nurturing and compassion, our hands-on programs provide the basis for empowerment and inspiration. From daycare to technological high schools, from professional scholarships to legal aid and counseling, we offer help and understanding for all Israeli citizens to achieve success, reach their goals, and build a brighter future.
כאילו אכפת להם, וזה מה שהיה נורא חסר לי, שיהיה למישהו אכפת ממני. אני חושבת שזה גם הייתה הסיבה שלא הצלחתי בבתי ספר אחרים, וכאן כן.
One of the most important services provided to at-risk youth is the NAAMAT Educational Network. With technological and vocational high schools throughout Israel and youth villages in Ayanot and Kanot, Israeli teens are given a second chance to complete their education and fulfill their dreams.
וזה כיף להגיע לבית ספר שאתה מרגיש שאתה מחובר אליו, שאתה מרגיש בבית איתו.
והגשמתי כאילו חלום, שלא חשבתי שיהיה לי בחיים. ולפני כן לא הייתי חושבת שיהיה לי תעודת בגרות, אם לא הייתי מגיעה לכאן, לנעמת.
NAAMAT's work to improve the lives of women, children, and families in the Jewish state is remarkable, and I'm proud to stand with you in your efforts to advance the status of women worldwide. Jewish women in America and Israel have an undeniable sisterhood. Though we are separated by miles and oceans, we are united in our fight for women's equality, full political representation, and economic justice and parity. In order to get closer to true equality for women, we must come together to work tirelessly, wherever we can, to support global health, education, political participation, and women's empowerment. You must never forget that you are not a woman on your own, but rather part of a network of women and a sisterhood of strength. Thank you for all the great work you do every day, and Am Yisrael Chai.
I'm third generation NAAMAT. My grandparents were Zionists in Europe and brought that dream of living in America and the vision of Israel with them. And what's important is it combines all that's important in my life. So it combines the fact that I'm Jewish, that I support the state of Israel, and that I'm a woman, and it supports women and families.
Way back in 1972, my husband and I went to Israel. So when we came home, we both decided if we're not going to live in Israel, we have to do something to help Israel. I stumbled on NAAMAT, then it was Pioneer Women. I liked what their concept was. And since then, I've been very active with NAAMAT. I just started a chapter a couple years ago in the Caneo Valley. We are really making a difference in the way of life for women and children, teens, families in Israel. NAAMAT is very dear to my heart, and I really believe that your money is going to such a worthwhile cause.
My name is Doris Katz, and I am the Eastern Area Coordinator. I had always heard my mother talking about NAAMAT, NAAMAT, NAAMAT. And that was my beginning of learning and being and connecting to NAAMAT, because I knew my mother's heart was in it, and I guess I got her heart, and I love it.
My mother was a founding member in the 20s, and I became a life member when NAAMAT started the life member program. My two daughters are actively involved in NAAMAT, and my granddaughters are now fourth generation NAAMAT USA.
I'm pretty passionate about NAAMAT. Being at one point in my life a single parent with difficulty finding daycare and leaving an abusive relationship, NAAMAT represented important parts of my life to me. I really think that this is a very important organization, and the money we raise goes toward very good goals. I mean, technological high schools, helping children in daycare centers, helping women find their way, all of that.
I have been blessed with a wonderful life. And when I discovered NAAMAT, I found my way of helping to pay back for all that I have had.
Hello everybody, I would like to congratulate you on your 90th anniversary of NAAMAT USA. It is really exciting, and I want from here, from Israel, to convey NAAMAT Israel, all the Chaverot, all the members of NAAMAT, we want to convey to you our utmost appreciation for all your hard work, for your efforts all through the years to help us with our daycare centers, with our technological schools, with our youth villages, with our scholarships, our women's rights centers. Thank you so much for all your efforts in really helping us to make a difference in our society.
"90 years of accomplishments, but so much more to do." NAAMAT takes pride in knowing that we have created a unique and dynamic organization that has continued to evolve to guarantee that the needs of Israeli women and children will always be met. In honor of our 90th anniversary, we have chosen a very exciting project, a new women's health center which will be based in Sderot. Our first women's health center was opened in Carmiel a few years ago and has been an astounding success. The new center in Sderot will be based on the Carmiel prototype, offering preventative health care, mammograms, workshops and educational programs for family planning, eating disorders, and healthy nutrition, counseling and support groups for catastrophic illnesses. NAAMAT USA needs your support to make this project a reality. Your generosity will ensure that women in the Western Negev will have access to preventative health care and have a community resource of information for their continued well-being and success. So please, open your hearts. The future of women, children, and families in Israel depends on us.